Here is my dashboard and the amount I've been able to make after trying the strategy I saw here on YouTube for a couple of days. On this video, I'm going to share with you the processes and how much I was able to make. So to begin, he went on to say this.
Did you know you can build a completely automated affiliate marketing system that's going to be making you around $220 per day if you are going to start right now, and you are going to set it up exactly how I'm going to show you using just ChatGPT and like two other websites that I'm going to show you in today's video. And if you are going to set it up right now, it's going to be making you just a couple of dollars at the beginning, but I'm going to share with you a website that's going to allow you in one click generate so much free traffic from Google search that in just a couple of weeks you can scale this into a full-time online income. Now for this, you don't have to have any skills or previous experience. All you have to do is just follow exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, because I'm going to show you how you can access unlimited ChatGPT prompts that are going to make this method very easy to follow, so you don't have to do any thinking yourself. All you gotta do is just set it up, let it work for yourself, and it's going to be printing you money even in your sleep.
So after that, he went on to explain how to get the right prompts to ask ChatGPT, because everything we're going to be doing on this video is going to be using AI, and he explained how you can get the right prompts that can give you the best result for you to do whatever he's going to be explaining for us to do. And he also explained how to search for the right thing to talk about so that you'll be able to generate some leads that will give you some money, once everything that you have put in place has been done. So he said this also.
Pretty much I'm going to copy it and paste it to ChatGPT, and because I have customized it already for the niche that I have picked, I'm going with something like this. What are some product ideas that would appeal to people searching for summer vacation on Google who are interested in making vacation cheaper? So just click the magic button and let ChatGPT get to work, and right here you can generate a bunch of ideas that you can monetize from this exact traffic, from this exact demographic that's suggested by ChatGPT. And because you have already generated this first part of the article in this exact chat box, you can design the entire method, because ChatGPT is already going to know that you are searching for something related to the niche. So let's see what we've got here. And first of all, you can see right at the top you've got budget travel planner app, and this one's actually pretty easy to monetize because most of the apps out there do have an affiliate program that is going to pay you some amount of money if you are going to refer them to the relevant audience.
So for that, he chose the travel niche, and I was so interested in the travel niche because I have a Pinterest account that talks about travel niche. So I felt it's going to be a good idea to share it on Pinterest too, and hopefully get the best result I can get from this strategy, because it all sounded so doable. I went over to ChatGPT and used the exact prompts that he used on the video, and then I asked it for these things, and ChatGPT was able to give me some results. And I also got to get some apps that I could actually promote using the exact strategy that he explained in this video. However, I was not really able to get the affiliate links from the website he used because I did not really have all the requirements that they asked. However, for Hushed, I was not able to sign up because the legal terms and conditions were so complicated and I did not really understand everything that they were talking about, so I decided not to go for it. However, I was able to find one, trips.com, that is actually good, that I used, that I was able to get the affiliate link, and then I signed up as an affiliate. Once I have my affiliate link, I had to go over to the next step, and here is the next step.
For the next step, go back to ChatGPT, go to the prompt bar, and I'm going to ask you to write a detailed blog article showcasing how to plan a summer vacation in advance. And also, I'm going to include a sentence that's going to put into the article the need for the apps that I'm going to be promoting in it. And I'm also going to include in there a sentence that's going to showcase the importance of the apps that I have decided to promote using this article. So just go for as many apps as you want, but make sure to include it in the ChatGPT request.
Again, I copied this the much I could because it was a little bit blocked, but I was able to figure out the blocked words there. And because it also included having a local phone number, which I was not able to get the affiliate link for, I had to remove it entirely. So going back to ChatGPT, here is what I have asked it to generate. So I'm going to edit this now the way he said. After that, he recommended we post it on Medium or any other platform, but he recommended Medium because it can easily rank on Google. So this is Medium. I'm able to edit and add everything, including the links, the way he asked it to be done on the video, and I have done everything that needs to be done because I have just one link. So I'm going to now publish and hopefully I get result. Then for the next step, he said this.
Now I'm going to share with you a one-click website that's going to make this process a lot easier if you are going to be doing this every couple of days. All you want to do now is just pretty much click on share right here, and you want to copy the link to your article, and you want to go to internetindexer.com. I'm just going to share this website for a couple of seconds, so just the people who are going to watch the entire video are going to know this secret hack. So just pay attention because I'm going to show it to you just for a second one more time. It's internetindexer.com, and you want to go to this website. Once you're going to come to this website that I have just shared with you, what you want to do is just scroll all the way down here, and you want to click on Backlink Maker. Click on Backlink Maker and then just paste the link to your article right here, just like that. Make sure to complete the CAPTCHA verification, and then you just want to submit. Now pretty much what this website is going to do is going to generate backlinks to your article, to your website, or pretty much to any link that you are going to paste in there, and this is going to highly increase the chance that it's going to be picked up by the Google algorithm, and it's going to be showing to people who are interested in this exact topic. So every time somebody is going to search for this topic on Google, this website is going to hugely increase the chance that they are going to find your article.
So that was basically what I did. I went to the internetindexer.com and I pasted the link there, and I went to the backlink and did everything he said we should do on the video, and it went live. Like, that was the end, and here is the result I got after trying all of this in a couple of days. So this is my dashboard on trips.com. This is after I made 3 posts about this on Medium, like 3 different posts, and I also posted it on my Pinterest account. And after some couple of days, here is the result. I was not able to get any booking or any money yet. However, one person clicked within a period of few days. Well, what it means is that maybe if I give it some time, more people may want to click, and once that happens, I may get money. But for now, here is my result. I think that because I was able to get a visit, it means that people are actually looking for this. But however, the way he sounded, I was hoping to get something, a fast result. But I know that affiliate marketing is something that really takes time, and you have to like be patient and give it time. So because people were able to click and look through, it means that there are people that are actually looking for this, and hopefully I'll give it some few more weeks and see how the result is going to be, and hopefully I'm going to come back here to give you an update about that once anything changes. But so far I was able to make $0 and nobody has booked with my affiliate link. So if you get to try this or you try something similar, please let me know in the comment section. And if you're looking to start off some typing or writing jobs, if you don't want to compete with the ones on Fiverr and Upwork, you might want to check out these videos showing on your screen right now. Thank you for watching. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on anyone. I really appreciate you.